Before planting garlic, treat the cloves with a homemade pesticide to keep pests and diseases at bay. Begin by selecting healthy garlic cloves and removing any that appear damaged or moldy. After selecting the best cloves, prepare a simple pesticide solution by combining 1 tablespoon baking soda and 1 tablespoon vinegar inside a 1 liter of water. Soak the garlic cloves in the mixture for a few hours. This cleans the cloves, prevents fungal infections, and protects them from pests, ensuring a good start. After soaking, allow the cloves to air dry for several hours before planting. The next critical step is to aerate the soil where you will plant the garlic. Aerating the soil loosens it, making it easier for air, water, and nutrients to reach the garlic roots. Garlic bulbs require loose, well-drained soil to thrive, as compacted soil can stunt their growth. If the soil is too tight, the bulbs will not have enough room to expand and may rot due to poor drainage. Aerating the soil with a garden fork or hoe breaks up compacted areas, allowing garlic to grow freely and develop properly. After the soil has been properly aerated, you can create a special fertilizer mix to feed and protect the garlic from pests. Instead of mixing bone meal and neem cake powder directly into the soil, combine 1 cup of each with compost. This will result in a nutrient-rich blend ideal for garlic. Bone meal contains phosphorus, which promotes healthy root development. Garlic relies heavily on strong roots to grow large bulbs, so phosphorus is essential for a successful harvest. In contrast, neem cake powder is a natural pest repellent that also contains nitrogen and other nutrients that promote plant growth. After you've combined the bone meal and neem cake powder with compost, spread the mixture evenly over the aerated soil. Then, gently combine this mixture with the top layer of soil in the planting bed. This ensures that the nutrients are available for the garlic to absorb, and that the soil is fertile enough to support healthy bulb growth while keeping pests out. By adding this mixture, you are preparing the garlic plants for strong, healthy growth. When it comes to planting garlic, proper spacing is essential. Garlic cloves should be spaced 3 to 8 inches apart, depending on the variety you're growing. Some garlic varieties produce large bulbs that require more room to grow, whereas others are smaller but have a stronger flavor. The variety we're planting produces small bulbs, but the flavor is extremely intense and delicious. This allows us to plant the cloves closer together, about 3 inches apart. This gives the garlic just enough space to grow without crowding the bed. You can prepare your garlic for a successful growing season by applying a homemade pesticide to the cloves, aerating the soil, adding a nutrient-rich compost mix, and spacing the cloves precisely. Even though this variety does not yield the largest bulbs, the intense flavor it provides makes the harvest well worth the effort. Following these steps will ensure that your garlic grows strong and healthy, resulting in a flavorful and rewarding harvest. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more gardening tips, please like, subscribe, and watch our other videos.